Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer music to your Apple Watch Series 9 so you can be able to play music directly from the Apple Watch to your AirPods or any Bluetooth speaker that you may want to use. And you'll be able to do this without having to have your iPhone next to you at all times. Alright, so as you can see at the moment, there is no music on this Apple Watch, so I can't really play anything to my AirPods or speakers. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You are going to have to do it on your phone. Alright, so first thing you are going to need to have is music on your Apple iPhone. So I made a separate video showing you how to download music from your computer to your Apple iPhone. Once you have music on your iPhone, it should show up here in your music library. You should be able to go to songs here. You should be able to see all of these songs that you have already downloaded on your iPhone. All right, once you have songs here, all you need to do to transfer them to your Apple Watch is you're gonna go to your Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Okay, here you are going to scroll down to music, so it's going to be around right here. Select it. Make sure that recent music is enabled. This will allow you to auto download music from your iPhone directly to your Apple Watch when your Apple Watch is charging or connected to the same Wi-Fi network. All right, so let's enable that. That's number one. Okay, next thing you want to do is you're going to want to add music. Once you go to add music, you can go to playlists, and here your playlists will show up. So one thing you may want to do is go back to your Apple Music app, and you can create a playlist with certain songs that you want or certain artists, or you can simply also just do this. You can go to playlist here, create a new playlist. You can name it all, for example, and you can just add all music to the playlist. You can just go like this and just add every single song in your Apple Music library. I have a bunch here, so it's probably going to take me a little while to add all of them, but just for the purpose of this video, I will add a few here. All right, I think that's good enough for now. So we'll hit done once you're done adding all your songs. So let's go back now to the Apple Watch app. And as you can see, the playlist that I just created named All shows up here. So we're gonna select it. Okay, all the songs are here. So now all we gotta do is select the plus sign up here at the top. Okay, and as you can see, the loading bar finished. So since the iPhone is already connected to the Apple Watch, it should have transferred all the music automatically over. Let's go ahead and check it out here. Let's go into the music app again on the Apple Watch. Let's go to listen now. Okay, here it lets me choose where I want to connect it to. So let's connect it to this Bluetooth speaker, for example. There you go. Now we're gonna go back here. Let's go back to the music app, and we can also go to library and songs, and we'll be able to see all of the songs that we have transferred over. Okay, they'll show up here. There'll be some other songs in black. Those you cannot play because those are still only on the iPhone. But the white ones are songs that are actually downloaded onto the memory of your Apple Watch. Okay, so here are all the songs. Let's go ahead and play this one, for example. Alright, so you guys get the point. It does work. The music was transferred over to the Apple Watch Series 9. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. That's how you transfer music from your Apple iPhone to your Apple Watch Series 9. So go ahead and give this video a like if it helped you out. Comment down below. Let me know if it did. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.